Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. The question they mention about second derivative of the function f of x equals to 0. What should be in the original function? So we need to put the integral for the both sides. The integral of the second derivative of the function f of x, you will go about first derivative of the function f of x. This one you got about 0, so you got only c is about constant in here. Later that we put the integral for the both sides. And now you will get about the function f of x equal to cs. So in this situation I put about c1 multiply with s, and the second constant that's about c2, and this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.